How to make your Discord username invisible. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get your Discord name to be invisible. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So let us jump right into the video. First thing first, you're going to have to open up Discord on your browser because this method is not going to work on Discord app on your phone. So go ahead and open up your browser and search for discord.com. Then go ahead and log into your account. And once you are logged in, let me just show you guys that I have a name here. So if I just go to my messages option and click on my Discord, as you can see here, I have a visible name right here. But if you want to make it invisible, then you're going to have to click on the settings icon first. And then from here, edit user profile. Then you're going to have to change your display name first. Click on edit, and on your display name, you're going to have to paste this special invisible character that is right here. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and copy this invisible character from here to here. I'm just going to right click on it and then click on copy. Now you're going to have to paste it right here. So click on paste. And as you can see, the invisible character has been added to your display name. So as you can see, the preview, it won't also show your display name. So click on save changes. If I just go back to my server, as you can see, the name is not even visible anymore. So if I just write any message here on my Discord server, no one will know that you are on their Discord server unless they search for you. So that's how you change your name to invisible on Discord. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.